Well, Thanksgiving is exactly what it sounds like, a good time to give thanks to all that you are grateful for and to give back to those that are less fortunate. And joining us right here this morning to explain how they are giving back to the community this season, we have Rob Levine and Kimberly Doobie from Rob Levine Law. Good morning, folks.
Good morning.
Great pleasure to have you here. Such a special time of year, so much to talk about. But before we get into what it really is that your team is doing, Rob, you've got some exciting news to share.
Yes, I've been asked by the executive to join the executive board for the May organization. The May organization is this amazing group of people that are helping the homeless in Rhode Island. So they help with addiction, homelessness, all sorts of problems that they deal with. And so I just went to their annual gala to raise funds for them, and I'm super excited to join.
This is a great thing for you and a wonderful thing for them, and really that's what it's all about, everyone coming together to support each other, especially this time of year. So let's really talk about what your team is doing ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday with your Thanksgiving food delivery. What's this all about?
So first of all, I want to introduce Kimberly. So Kimberly's been with me for 13 years. I come on the show a lot. And it's great to see you again. But I always come by myself, and really the law firm is 210 people now, and we would never be able to accomplish without the amazing team that we have. And Kim's really responsible for the event that we're going to talk about today, the drunk driving event, as well as feeding 500 families. So I wanted to make sure we give kudos to her for pulling this all together.
Absolutely. Kimberly, what does it mean to you to be a part of this?
It's amazing. I absolutely love the feedback we get from the community and all the organizations that we work with. We partner with a lot of local schools that then we deliver right to the school for the families, or we have them deliver right to houses from the people from those schools. So it's really great to get just the love back. Thank you so much. We couldn't have done it without you. It's amazing.
Of course, and a great thing to be able to instill that notion of giving back in the young people at the school-aged level, of course. So what does our audience really need to know about what you're doing with the food delivery system?
I mean, this is our 8th or 9th year. We're delivering 500 meals this year. Shaw's has been just amazing. They're our partner there. Put the food out in the parking lot for us. We line it up and take it and deliver it. Every year we do it. So next year, if you're a family in need and you need help, and my goal is to grow it next year. We've done 500 families for the last couple of years. How many years?
Probably 5 years.
5 years we've done 500. So next year the goal is to grow the number. So if you go on to roblevine.com next year or download our app from the App Store, you can register for a meal.
That's great, and we've got links to you at our website, rhodeshow.com, so people can just head there and get all of the info they need. And also your Safe Ride app. This is so important this season, isn't it?
It is. So the Safe Ride app for me has tremendous meaning because since I was 16, I've been on a rescue responding to hundreds of drunk driving accidents that I've seen destroy families' lives. But for Kimberly, it's super personal. Not too many people know, but Kimberly lost her parents when she was 3. In a drunk driving accident. So for both of us, the two leaders of the law firm, it's just tremendously important.
So Kim, from that perspective, certainly very difficult for you, but through that loss, the ability to give back and to do something meaningful, right?
Absolutely. It's really impressive that we're able to do this.
And do you feel the spirit of your parents when you do this?
Yes, absolutely. It's something that I would hope never happens to another child. So very cognizant with my own daughter and with the general population. So it's great to see people and get feedback from that as well. Thank you so much. You guys gave me a ride last night.
Right, and whenever you can take something like that and turn it into something meaningful for the community, I mean, that's what this is all about, isn't it, for you and the firm?
100%. I mean, from going from a police officer to being a lawyer, and now being able to give back. I mean, we have over 10,000 clients that are open cases, and then to be able to take that and help not clients, but our team members, the community with the programs we do, it's really all about giving back. I mean, it's overwhelming what we've been able to accomplish.
Well, it's very inspiring and laudable, and certainly we thank you for being here. And how about Kim's Rhode Show debut? Not bad right here. Pretty good.
Fantastic.
How about a round of applause? The crowd goes wild for Kimberly.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, folks, and thanks for all that you're doing. It's a great team you have. If you'd like to learn more all about Rob Levine Law's Thanksgiving food delivery, and of course the rides available, we've got links posted, like we said, at rhodeshow.com.